guys, this is Gardner from Dirt King Fabrication. I wanted to show you around our service department. Not only do we manufacture, weld, and machine all of our own parts in-house, but we also offer installation services. We offer installation on parts as simple as upper control arm and coilovers, all the way up to long travel and race kits, as well as ultra 4-link suspension conversions. We mainly focus on suspension installation, but we also offer services for custom front bumpers, fiberglass install, intake exhaust, and custom lighting. As an example of the services we offer, this is a 2017 Chevy Silverado 1500. This got our bolt-on long travel kit, so it's a boxed upper, boxed lower, as well as our long travel spec coilovers. We're also doing the Fiberworks 3-inch over fenders on this truck, and we'll also do the rear. We'll move on to that. In the rear, this is getting our prefab bed cage. Once the 4 tabs are welded in, the bed cage is a bolt-on design. It's also getting the rest of the long travel package, which is the Deaver U182 springs. And then it's going to get our bolt-on shackle and hanger kit, as well as our lower shock mounts, with the addition of King 3.0x16 bed cage spec bypasses. In addition to our bolt-on long travel kits, we also do offer more extensive builds, which would include our long travel race kits and ultra 4-link kits. Another example of what our service department has to offer is this 2018 Tacoma that we just finished. This truck came in with our competitor's upper control arms, and he was looking for a performance lower control arm. At the same time, he wanted to upgrade, so we decided to do a matched pair and get him our boxed uniball upper control arms, as well as doing our performance lower control arms. At the same time, we did our weld-on spindle gussets, as well as our alignment cam reinforcement kit. So this is our upper control arm. It's a boxed bushing design, so it uses a polyurethane bushing on the inner pivot, an FK 1-inch uniball on the outer pivot. This is our performance lower control arm. It does offer increased strength over factory, being a box design. It also has an integrated aluminum skid plate. It's much more beefy than the factory arm, which is a weak spot on these Tacomas and 4Runners. We also did our weld-on spindle gusset kit. The factory spindle is a forged spindle, but this helps strengthen it. It is a weld-on gusset that does eliminate the sway bar. We also did our weld-on alignment cam gussets. What this does is it allows you to strengthen the factory gusset, which is pretty weak. If you hit a hard edge, this cam can spin and break off the alignment cam, so this helps strengthen that. After each vehicle is completed, we do a safety test, which includes hand torquing every nut and bolt, as well as paint markering, and then we road test it to ensure safety. If you're interested in having any work done on your vehicle, you can reach out to the Dirt King Fabrication sales department, or you can give us a call or swing by the shop here in San Diego, California. If you'd like any more information, you can check out our website at dirtkingfabrication.com or our Instagram at dirtkingfabrication.